Oh. So, go. Oh my god, I'm going for my client. And, this was... Let me see. Okay. Well, past me. Oh my god, look how beautiful it is. Wilmington, California. Okay. Alright, bye. Wow, this place is so awesome. Look at it. Waiting for my client to come and get me because there's a gate over there. Look at that gate. I can't pass that, so I just called and he said he's on his way, so we'll see. It's gonna be an awesome experience. I love it. I'm freezing though. I'm freezing. I'm hungry. I need some food. And I'm freezing. So I'll see you guys soon. Hi.
Trying to get in?
Yeah.
Come on.
I am loving this video. I wish you guys were here to experience this with me because it's just so beautiful. I am so honored to be here. And look at that ship. Oh my god. It's Wilmington, California, and it's just an awesome experience being here. Take a look at this. Oh my god, so beautiful. Don't you wish you were here, darlings? It's like swimming. I know, oh my god. It's crazy right now. But it's so beautiful. I love being around the water and I'm Pisces, so that explains it. Well, darlings, I'm glad you enjoyed the beautiful view and stay tuned for my other hot and fabulous videos. Always subscribe and comment it and thumb it.